And here we are at the last theory bits of 6.1 squares and square roots. We already talked about squares. Well, I think now it's time to talk about square roots. Well, what are square roots? Well, before we're going to introduce this concept, first this question right here. Which positive number becomes 16 after squaring it? So actually I have something squared, right? That's how I write down a square, equals 16. So something times itself is 16. And I ask for a positive number, right? Then there is only one answer here. The number that I'm searching for is 4, right? You can say the same question, but have it more be mathematically framed, right? Don't ask which positive number becomes 16 after squaring it. No, mathematicians ask you then this: what is the square root of 16? Which actually is asking you this question: which positive number becomes 16 after squaring it? And we use this symbol here to indicate a square root. And on the next slide I will give you a translation for this as well. So if they ask you square root of 16, search for a number that times itself is 16. And a positive number, please. So don't say -4, smarty pants, positive number. Okay? En een square root in Dutch is called een wortel. Oké? Soms vertaalt het vierkant, het stukje square voor ook, dan noem je het een vierkantswortel. Is hetzelfde. Je zult eigenlijk altijd gewoon alleen wortel horen. Oké? And the square root of a number is never a negative, as I already said. Later on in the mathematics course we will learn why. So here, if I say the square root of 81, I'm searching for a number that times itself is 81, which is 9. The square root of 64, which number times itself is 64? That is 8. And we can use big numbers as well. Which number times itself is 169? It's 13. Okay? And that's the glossary already. I will, however, do an exercise of the homework in a separate video, because I think some of you need some more training with this. And there are also some interesting numbers that you might not expect what the square root of is. For example, what's the square root of 1? Or what's the square root of 0? And let me just check. No, we're not going to ask. Oh, we are going to ask you. What's the square root of a fraction? That can be a difficult one. So if you find it difficult, first, of course, just practice using the homework exercises. And afterwards, if you want to, and you find stuff difficult, I will do a few exercises of the homework on video as well. Good luck. Here is the glossary. A square is een kwadraat. A square number is een kwadraat. That's easy. Squaring is kwadrateren. And a square root means een wortel. Good luck again to you.